Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Evi Handayani, and this video is my review about teaching and curriculum design. Today I will retell the first. I think this material discuss about how to part of the curriculum design model apply to the daily work of teacher in language class. The reason for doing this is to show that even decisions which just relate to part of a lesson could be improved by an understanding of the wider curriculum design process. And the part of curriculum design is like environment analysis, need analysis, goals, content, sequencing, format, and presentation, monitoring and assessment, and evaluation. Okay, for the first, I will tell about environment analysis. The purpose of environment analysis is to make sure that what happens is likely to be successful because it takes account of the local situation. An experienced teacher doesn't have to think very deeply about most environment analysis decision because such teacher knows what has worked in the past and aware of what the difficulties may be. It is important to remember when doing environment analysis that is done to see its effects on the language course. If an activity is not likely to be interesting for the learners, that the activity could be avoided. And the next, I will tell about need analysis. Need analysis is part of curriculum design that involves looking at what the learners know and what they need to know by the end of the course and what they want to know. It has been suggested several times in these books that doing need analysis is like doing research. And next, there are principle. I think principle is information about teaching and learning can be from research, but such information can also come from teacher experience and observations of teaching and learning. It is always good to check these two sources against each other, and we must know that environment analysis, need analysis, and principle makes up the three outer circle of the curriculum design. These three parts provide data and guidance for the part of the inner cycle. And next, there are goals. Is one of the inner cycle of curriculum design and very important. I think goals is reason why must there is course, but not all teachers set language learning goals for the activity they use in class. One of possible model of techniques analysis involves looking at the learning goals of a particular technique and activity, the mental conditions which are needed to achieve this goal. Next, there are content and sequencings. I think the contents of language course consists of the language items, idea, skill, and the strategies that meet the goals of the course. The viewpoints is that even though the unit of progressions in a course may be tasks, topic, or themes, it is important for the curriculum designer to keep some checks on vocabulary, grammar, and discourse to make sure that important items are being covered and repeated. And the next, there are format and presentations. I think is part of the curriculum design process that the data gathered from needs and environment analysis. And format is about how the materials are arranged and format, and the delivery of the materials in course for learnings is delivered in the course on one such presentations. In making presentation, have search use a basis for a lessons will make achieve effects and the ease of the making lesson. Next, there are monitoring and assessment. I think is activity to obtain information and an ongoing basis aim to providing information to program manager in the interest of early indications of progress and lack of program implementation in order to improve program objectives. So the purpose is provide information about a program or activity as feedback for the implementing the activity. And next, there are evaluations. I think is the process to know or check if the course is successful and where it needs to be improved or not. And evaluation aims to find out whether the program reached the expected goals or not. And evaluation can only be done if the program has been running at least in a period. And the last, there are design and learner autonomy language. Language course typically involve learners in activities that are set up by the course book and teacher, and that often involve working with other learners. Encourage learners' autonomy is thus an important goals in curriculum design. And we have now reached the end of our description of language curriculum design. I think that's all for my review about these materials. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.